Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling with high temps in your gaming PC? Poor airflow can choke your GPU and CPU, leading to thermal throttling, noisy fans, and reduced performance. If your current case feels like an oven, it might be time for a serious airflow upgrade. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow from NZXT, a sleek mid-tower ATX case designed for maximum airflow in clean builds. High airflow design, fully perforated front panel for unrestricted air intake. 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, ready to go cooling right out of the box. Dedicated GPU cooling, supports bottom-mounted fans to directly cool your graphics card. ATX compatibility, supports full-size ATX motherboards with plenty of room. Clean cable management, built-in channels and space for a tidy, professional build. Spacious interior, easy installation for large GPUs and multiple storage drives. Minimal white design, clean, modern look that fits any setup. Pros: excellent airflow performance. GPU-focused cooling support. Clean, premium design. Easy cable management. Cons: no RGB fans included. No included fan hub/controller. Airflow-focused design means less noise dampening. Perfect for gamers and PC builders who want strong airflow for high-performance GPUs. A clean, minimal aesthetic. A spacious case for future upgrades. Not ideal if you want a silent-focused or RGB-heavy build out of the box. At $69.99, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 delivers excellent value, especially for airflow-focused builds. You're getting premium design and performance at a mid-range price. Number 4. Introducing the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack from Cooler Master, a unique, fully modular mid-tower ATX case designed for flexible, customizable PC builds. Flatpack modular design, comes disassembled for easy transport and full customization. Fully modular panels, rearrange panels and components to suit your build style. eATX support, compatible with extended ATX motherboards for high-end systems. Vertical GPU mount support, show off your graphics card, riser cable sold separately. Cooling flexibility, supports dual 280mm radiators for advanced cooling setups. 1x120mm rear fan included, basic airflow out of the box. Rear-mounted PSU design, unique layout for better internal space management. Tempered glass panel, clean look to display your components. Pros: extremely customizable and modular. Compact yet supports large components, eATX, radiators. Great for DIY builders who enjoy assembling everything. Unique design stands out. Cons: assembly required, not beginner-friendly. Only one fan included. Cable management can be tricky depending on layout. Vertical GPU mount requires extra purchase. Ideal for enthusiast PC builders who love customization. Users wanting a compact yet powerful build. Creative setups with unique layouts. Not ideal for beginners who want a simple plug-and-play case. At $63.99, the Qube 500 Flatpack offers great value for modularity and flexibility, especially if you enjoy building and customizing your PC from the ground up. Number 3. Introducing the InWin A3-mATX, IWCSA3BLK1AM120S, from InWin, a compact and stylish gaming chassis with premium build quality and ARGB lighting. Built-in ARGB fan, comes with a pre-installed 120mm ARGB fan for vibrant lighting. Compact MicroATX/Mini-ITX support, ideal for smaller, space-saving builds. Tempered glass side panel, showcase your components with a premium look. Air and water cooling support, compatible with liquid cooling setups for better thermals. Rear PSU mount design, unique layout for optimized internal space. Gaming-ready design, clean, minimal aesthetic with high-end feel. Efficient layout, designed for better component placement in a compact size. Pros: Premium build quality and stylish design. Compact yet powerful build potential. ARGB lighting included. Supports both air and liquid cooling. Cons. Limited space compared to larger ATX cases. Only one fan included. Can be challenging for cable management in tight builds. Higher price for its size category. Perfect for gamers wanting a compact, premium-looking PC. Minimalist setups with RGB touch. Small desk or limited space builds. Not ideal for users planning very large GPUs or extensive cooling setups. At $131.99, the InWin A3 sits in the premium compact case category. You're paying more for design, build quality, and brand aesthetics rather than raw airflow or included features. Number 2. Introducing the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow from Thermaltake, a stylish white mid-tower ATX case built for showcase builds with strong cooling support. 3x 120mm ARGB fans included, bright, customizable lighting right out of the box. Dual tempered glass panels, front plus side glass for a panoramic showcase look. eATX support, handles large motherboards for high-end builds. 360mm radiator support, ready for powerful liquid cooling setups. Optimized airflow design, balanced airflow for both GPU and CPU cooling. Bottom-mounted PSU, cleaner cable routing and better airflow separation. Snow white finish, clean aesthetic perfect for modern RGB builds. 3-year warranty, added reliability and peace of mind. Pros. Excellent value with 3 ARGB fans included. Beautiful dual-blast showcase design. Supports large components, eATX, 360mm radiator. Great for RGB builds. Cons. Airflow not as strong as mesh front cases. Glass panels can trap heat slightly. Heavier than average mid-tower. Limited stock fan performance for high-end systems. Perfect for RGB lovers who want a showcase PC. Gamers building a white-themed setup. Users planning liquid cooling builds. Not ideal for airflow maximized or ultra-silent builds. At $69.99, this case offers fantastic value. You get premium looks, 3 ARGB fans, and eATX support at a budget-friendly price. Number 1. Introducing the Lian Li A3-mATX, A3X.US, from Lian Li, a compact 26.3L mini-tower chassis built in collaboration with Dan cases, focused on modularity and high-performance small builds. Ultra-compact 26.3L design, small footprint with big performance potential. Highly modular layout, flexible internal configuration for custom builds. Front-mounted PSU design, unique placement to maximize internal space. 360mm AIO support, rare for this size, supports powerful liquid cooling. MATX and ITX compatibility, flexible motherboard support. Premium steel build, strong, durable, and minimal design. Dan cases collaboration, optimized layout for enthusiast-level compact builds. Pros. Extremely compact yet powerful build support. High modularity and flexibility. Supports large radiators in a small case. Clean, minimalist aesthetic. Cons. No fans included. Tight build space, not beginner-friendly. Cable management can be challenging. Requires careful component selection. Perfect for advanced builders who love compact PCs. Minimalist setups with high performance. Custom liquid cooling in small form factor. Not ideal for beginners or users wanting an easy build experience. At $89.99, this case offers great value for SFF enthusiasts, especially considering its modular design and 360mm AIO support in such a compact size. Check the link in the description to grab yours now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PC hardware reviews.